Welcome to JEEVES. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to configure settings that affect how your tenants use the JEEVES app. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in. Remember, you need to be an owner or an admin to access these settings. On the home page, tap the members icon to open the members list. Here, you'll see everyone registered under your unit. Look for the settings icon next to a member's name and tap it to open their settings. Now, let's go through the options you can configure. First, you can enable or disable permit approvals for admins and owners. Here's how it works. If admin is enabled, any permits requested by tenants will be sent to the admin for approval before they reach the Property Management Office, or PMO. If owner is enabled, permits will be sent to the owner for approval before reaching the PMO. If both are enabled, permits go to the admin first, then the owner, and finally the PMO. By default, both are disabled, so permits are sent straight to the PMO. You can adjust these settings based on your preferences. Next, let's talk about visitor permits. To disable visitor permits, simply turn off visitors allowed. Turn on the visitors allowed to enable them. When disabled, members won't be able to request visitor permits. You can also control overnight stays. If you turn off the overnight visitors allowed option, members won't be able to request permits lasting longer than a single day. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to tap the submit button to apply them. That's it. You're all set to manage your settings in JEEVES. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.